On a London trade. Oh, sorry. Yep, muted. All right, I'm back. All right. You didn't miss out on much except me singing London Boy. So what's up, you guys? Let's have a look over here. Wednesday. Wednesday. Time frame, bro. Come on. We can't start with immediate. We can't start like that immediately. What's up, you guys? So let's have a look over here. Hey, does anyone know, man, on Project X, you know how you link your account, so when you click one, it automatically links? I accidentally de-linked mine. Now I can't figure out how to freaking do it again. What up, Brian? My son. Full port day. Yes, sir. Settings. Bro. Come on, man. All right, let's have a look at NQ. Minute. Oh, NQ dropped below this level here. Hang on, let me just lock in here for a sec. But we already just created that bottom wick, unfortunately. The same bar as time frames, it'll say add chart. That's fucking right. You're a G. Add chart link. Boom. Color orange. Yes. Thanks, Mitch. Alright, sick. We're back. Alright. Alright, lock in, you guys. Let's have a look. So I don't know what anyone would ever be able to look at gold for sells. Like, I can't sell gold. Like, it's gonna be very difficult for me to want to sell gold. So if gold decides to drop, I'm pretty cooked personally. But I would love to buy gold above this level here. That'd be phenomenal. Yeah, I'd love to buy gold above that level. And NQ's obviously got a major level up here as well. So we'll see. And then obviously for sells on NQ, it's probably, like, I wanted to sell kind of where it is now. But it's already created that bottom wick. Like, see how this level broke below here? You know, I know that we had clean traffic down to here, so I was, you know, if we got that top wick first and then it flipped, but it kind of just dropped immediately. I don't know. I don't really trust this. So I'll leave that for now. Fresh trim, who dis? Yeah, I got a haircut today. So I've been wearing a hat for 10 years on stream because my hair has just been a bomb. So I got that little chop suey on it. Let me give it the little chop suey. Hopefully the markets don't give us chop suey the whole sesh. Big Static, what up, gang? Bro, why does bro look like AI? Bro, why does every bro say that, bro? You look good, actually. Thank you. Yeah. On which social media did you start? And if you had to start over again, what advice would you give to somebody who's starting on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube? This is a guy, like, so some of the guys in the mentorship, I try and help them, like, put him in the right direction when it comes to starting a personal brand in the trading niche. So which platform did you start on? I mean, I started on TikTok first, just posting random TikTok content. I mean, trading content on TikTok, and then my account got shut down at 30K. Can you imagine that, man? Building a TikTok account on trading niche, first time putting yourself out there, and let me post my trades. And then I got up to 30,000 followers, and then my account got deleted completely. I couldn't get it back. So what could I have done then? I could have said, oh, fuck this, and then gave up, or start again. So I started again on TikTok, and now it's up to like 150K or whatever. But Yeah, start on TikTok and then just started streaming on YouTube. If you go to my YouTube live stream section, you can scroll all the way down to like, you know, a year ago or whatever. And it's just me with like a phone set up, just chilling. Chilling, bruh. The biggest thing is when you're trying to do shit on social media or build a personal brand on social media is to not think about it. It's the same in life, bro. Just do the thing. Just don't worry about it being perfect. Just start. Because you get done by analysis paralysis. Just start. Just fucking click the button. Click record, my dude. What's wrong with video and your voice? What's wrong with your phone? Because the video and voice is fine for the 1,000 of other people, but for some reason, maybe your phone's got an issue. Did you ever consider that? Like, think about it. Did you ever literally consider that? Do you only trade the night session? It's daytime where I am. It's fine, bro. I know it's fine. Yeah, I know. I'm so used to people saying that kind of shit that I just rage quit. Yeah, so we're just sitting here on NQ and MGC, and we're seeing if we can get anything happening over here. Dude, video is slightly behind your voice for me. Well, unfortunately, that's just sometimes that's just how the world works. Yeah, I can't find any good sell range down here unless we break below here, but that's pretty far away. What up, Graph? I think your camera's cooked. What? His phone says declare. Oh, man. Yeah, let's see what happens. Guys, no zesty shit, but I literally am so hungry. I need to eat it. Like, how can I eat a banana like sideways? Like, even that's gay. I'm just gonna break it off and then just eat it like this. Last 2 weeks, market's been really odd. Is prop XP legit? Brother. Yes. Could have gotten a more. Couldn't have gotten a more zesty man. What up, Rodriguez? Hi, dude. Hi, no, dude. I know what I am. Look me in the eye when you eat that. Oh, God damn it. Make it worse by bringing it up. Yeah, that's true. Just through the whole thing. God damn it. Don't be scared. See, that's the thing. I can't even eat a banana, man. The game's changed. You used to be able to eat bananas and stuff. Any tips? Just tips in general? Oh, wait, what are you saying? I'm trading on BYBit. Just started, so I only have like 23 in unverified trading account. So I risk my portfolio. Yeah, it sounds all sketchy, bro. Put it this way, there's no way to make good money in trading outside of requiring a ton of effort, attention, time, and effort. Bro, you guys have to stop spamming freaking bananas emojis. It's literally just a normal meal. Bananas are the most sold object at a supermarket, you realize? Is the dishwasher beeping? Good point. Damn, I eat one banana, now I'm doing the dishes and shit. Oh my god, you're kidding me. Big banana. Oh, bro, I come back to an entire chat full of fucking banana emojis. You gotta. Wow. You guys don't understand what it's like streaming. You literally try to be hungry on a stream and just get a casual piece of food out of the fridge. I dare ya. Which prop code is it? That it says the prop there, brother. It's called Prop XP. Nothing wrong with eating a banana, thank you. What up, smarties? Can't get away with any. Yeah, so I'm really waiting for one of these levels to kind of... I can come and do those things for you in exchange for Forex knowledge. Huh, I see what kind of proposal we got happening there. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. Alright. I'm looking for a legit prop firm. Brother, they're all legit. Like honestly, think about it. They don't care about like you blowing a little account that costs $50. Like they really don't. Like I know there's a lot of horror stories and shit out there, but it's really like, yeah, you'll be okay, man. PropX Cody! Found a wife on Dubai Tinder yet? Nah, I'm still not getting matches and stuff. I think I would get matches if I had Hinge, but I'm banned from there, so I don't know what. I'm gonna have to do it the traditional way and just like talk to people in person. Bro, I sold my car yesterday. Literally, my car's gone. I got no car. I might as well live under the bridge now. So yeah, it's getting really real. I could just, yeah, I might be moving really soon. So we'll see what happens. Oh, look at NQ over here moving back up to this range. I'd really, yeah. What is Dogecoin doing right now? Wait, you guys check, let's have a look at this. Oh, look, you guys from the stream this morning, remember? Look, I'm up. I'm moving up now. Oh, you can't see. Hang on, let me move this screen over. Let me move this screen over. Oh my god. Yeah, Prop XP, you guys. This is Prop XP platform right here. I'm about to pass a 100k challenge with them. I got a 50% off discount code there. You can see it. You can see it on the screen there. Goated. What up, Vanessa? VWAP? I don't know why I said that, sorry. What car did you drive? You'll see in the vlog. I'm going to launch a vlog in a couple days. Wait, what? Oof, waking up to people like a creep who does that 2025 pepper spray Dubai. I'm so confused. Bro, how do you accidentally make profits? What do you mean? You guys seen on the stream this morning? It's calculated. It's type 3. So gold's kind of doing nothing, but NQ might be the player today, potentially. I got scammed by investment plans. Please, nobody take it. I got scammed by investment plans. Sorry to hear that, bro. Hopefully you're all good financially. You got to be careful out here, man. These streets, I mean, I can't relate. Like, I'll be honest, I don't know how you can. Could I get scammed? I don't know, man. Yeah. Your code is invalid, bro? No, it's not, bro. It's impossible. Holmes 50. It's impossible. The platform's called Prop XP. Using AI for your thumbnail. Yeah, I do it on my own. I used to have a background in design, so I kind of just did it on my own. Static. Yeah. Pretty easy, like. But there's you guys. I told Mitch this. You just kind of type into Instagram thumbnail designer, and there'll be like 1,000 thumbnail pages, and you just DM them. They'll do it for like 150 bucks. All right, so that first 15-minute candle of the London Open just closed there. Gold, we're kind of just in this range here. Yeah, we'll see if we get anything over here. It might require a bit of patience, but NQ is looking like it's kind of approaching the most interesting level of interest. But knowing NQ, it won't really give us an opportunity probably. Like, I'd love just like a straight up textbook breakout, but NQ doesn't like to be nice like that. We'll see. We'll see if it's got an attitude today or not. What's your bias? Buy or sell? Don't have one really right now. Yeah, nothing really. Yeah, alternatively for gold, if it were to like kind of come down and create some sort of type 2 opportunity for us here, we can take a buy position here. Or use ChatGPT, you get a free decent thumbnail. Yeah, but they're not decent. They're kind of AI. They're just too AI-y. You're up 500 on Bullocks right now? Oh, bucks right now. Nice. What's happened in the market the last week? Honestly, I don't know. I've been trading the markets for so long. They just goes through phases constantly. Because a couple of weeks ago, you could have said, what happened to the market last week? And then a couple of weeks before that, you'd be like, what's going on with the market this week? Like, it's just always, the market is just as is. I'll be honest, since Trump came into office and all this tariff stuff happened, like that is the biggest change I've seen in market conditions for like the longest period of time. Sometimes you get that for like a week, but like it stayed for months, and it's still like we're still the ripple effects of it still. Like ranges are massive and stuff. Yeah, that ability to constantly adapt to the market conditions is pretty crucial, right? Does AI tell you the truth? I don't trust AI. I would never trust AI with personal shit. It's good for tasks. Oh, Graph, I didn't even see what he was writing. Steady, bro. What up, S? Oh, really? Wow. Yeah, I have Zen. Yeah. Nice haircut. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Yeah, I got a haircut today because I needed one. But if I ask you something, you know it will tell you it will tell you the correct answer. I don't know about that. I don't know. I don't know about that. And when it comes to personal questions, or if you're trying to ask questions to help you achieve something to the next level, ChatGPT will probably give you generic answers, and generic answers don't help you achieve great things, I believe. It's really like thinking outside of the box, which is going to help you achieve great things, in my personal opinion. Otherwise, everyone would be super successful. But it's like different thinking that's going to help, that's going to make you different. I don't know. That's what I believe. Let's look at NQ. So if NQ were to drop below this level here and close. Yeah, but then the 30 would look small body. Look at this potential type 2 on the 1 hour. Huh. I think I'll be interested in a sell if NQ can break below here. And retest. Oh no, it's got 38 minutes on the 1 hour. Yeah, we'll see what happens with NQ. Pretty slow session today. Yeah, London's just like, London's pretty much the new Sydney session. The only thing I've learnt from you and watching you over time is patience. If that's the only thing you've learnt from me, then my job here is done. Because one of the biggest things that newer traders have issues with is exactly that. And it's what gets you in the most issues, right? The impatience. Like, oh, I'm here, I must do something. Like if I'm in front of the chart, I must trade, right? No! You're not in front of the chart to trade. You're in front of the chart to wait for your playbook setup. If it comes, then you trade. Not I'm here to trade. I'm here to just follow a guideline. Oh, I've got this like guideline. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this. Interesting. Yeah, no, you know, like wait for that thing to happen and then do the thing. Yeah, S. So that's the thing, and that's a good point. Look, S here saying a lot of people were saying that because of the war was happening, gold will skyrocket, and that would be like the general consensus. You would think that that would happen, right? Because people kind of flock to gold as like a safe haven when world events are happening. But just goes to show you can't predict the markets. You cannot predict what's going to happen. It's like mass human psychology integrated into these markets, and yeah, good luck figuring that out. Yeah, but true, but why is it so difficult to wait? Because your mindset that you come into the market is flawed initially. If you come into the market with this idea of trading, then you're coming into it with a flawed perspective, like off the bat. You really need to come into the session just thinking, I'm just showing up. I'm not here to trade, I'm showing up. And then if my trade opportunity presents, that's a bonus. Change your perspective of why you're even sitting in front of the computer. As well. I've never seen you on a trade, but I almost always see you in profit for the day. One, you probably don't hang around the stream long enough to see me trade, and two, I do the Asia stream with the guys in the mentorship, and yeah, Asia's been presenting probably more opportunities, but even Asia we don't get many a lot of the time as well. My job is just to take 1 or 2 good quality trades a day. That's it. I sit in front of the computer for maybe 1.5 hours twice a day, so 3 hours in total. And if my opportunity presents in that period of time, then I take the trade. And it's been able to make me thousands and billions of dollars by just doing that. People think that if I sit in front of the computer all day, I'm going to make more money. Wrong! Sit in front of the computer all day, you will lose all your money. I promise you. Please put it to the test. No, don't put it to the test, but trust me. Brother, what up, Yachmo XO? Zach, probably 2 years-ish, but more. Bro, not true? Okay, bro, it's not true. Sit in front of the computer all day then. Trade all day, bro, and let me know how that goes for you. can I stop looking at the chart? Just be an adult, be disciplined, bro. Get some discipline in your life and just set strict rules. Like today I'm going to look at the chart between this period and then I'm going to shut the computer down. You have to like put physical barriers in place, like close the computer down, like turn that bitch off. Don't just like have it accessible so easily. Patience is the best skill you have as a trader. I agree, man. Since I don't trade. Wow, Cody. And that's the other thing, yeah, sitting in front of a screen all day trading is like the shittest life, bro. Like, although we're very privileged to have this opportunity to pull money out of the markets and this and that, it's also quite stressful. And if you're doing it all day, you're going to take losses and you're going to take wins, and it's a fucking emotional roller coaster. Like, you're far better off to live, like, have a good quality of life is just like to wait for your 1 to 2 good setups, take that, and then call it a day. Like, be more busy in life, like, you know what I mean? Have other things that you're passionate about so you can focus on them as well. And it doesn't need to be things massive, like, you know, hang out with your partner or fucking whatever it is, kids. Because the reality is, most people get into trading so they have more time. Why would you get into trade and then sit on a chart for 8 hours a day, go through all the psychological emotions? You might as well go get a 9 to 5. It's much less stressful. Nah, I'm not doing that C+. Sorry, brother. No point. What up, Keith? Keefy. Nice. Gold's pulling a Gold's tricking everyone over here. Nice to have you here, Kosei Group. I'm in Australia. Yeah, Sid, Prop XP is 4x. Oh wow! Oh, look at this Dogecoin's going up. Yes, I told you. Signals. Bitcoin signal. I mean, crypto signals, sir. If you guys want crypto signals, hit your boy up. No, anyone, don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. I'm only joking. Hell no, trading from home beats a 9 to 5. I get that, but my point is like, man, especially when you're playing with big money and things, like trading is stressful, bro. It can be stressful. And if you spend a bunch of time on the charts, unless you're really, really experienced in the game, like you got a lot of years under your belt, it's gonna really fuck you up psychologically. It takes a long time to get to that point where you have the ability to do that. Oh, NQ is kind of rejecting up here as well. Damn, I wish I was cleaner range to the left. I'm tempted to take an NQ buy. Let me just have a look at this real quick. A 4-hour broke out. It's too risky to anticipate a move. It's too risky to anticipate a move. It's too risky to anticipate a move. How do you see gold moving up to this key level? But I really want an opportunity to be a part of this. If this pushes up here, it's going to be kind of suck. Let me look at gold here. Let me have a look at gold. I mean, if you look at the 1 hour. Oh. I may take an impulse buy. Actually, I'm going to only trade on one account. I've already up on 3, so there's no point of giving back profits to all of them. Yeah, I'm just sticking to this one account. I mean, I'm very bullish on gold. I think if we can break this top wick here, we should push. The 15 kind of broke above all this range. The 4 hour's got a bit of support there, just waiting to burst through. We've got mega clean range to the left-hand side. The 1 hour kind of created some sort of type 2 here and then a little bit of support. We've rejected massively down here. The 30-minute massive rejection. Now we're wicking down. Could we push back up and flip and then push through? Because the reality of this is if this does flip and push through, it's going to go up there and it's probably going to overextend and then we're going to have to wait around for 10 years. I think there's a pretty high probability of this pushing impulsively. Even if that's to like there, then I can take size off there and move to BE. And then maybe catch a move as it retraces or whatever it wants to do from there. I don't know. We'll see. Do you have a brother to take me? Is it worth me going for a funded account even with 20k personal? Not only is it worth it, it's highly, 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 highly recommended. Oh, what up, Zeke? Yeah. What up? Prop XP, go. Fucking. Oh, shit, the bed. Shoot the bood. I can't book a call for next week then. Look, did I speak to you in the DMs? Didn't I send you a link? I sent you a link, bro, in the DMs. Oh, you mean the next week's not available? Yeah, just do the following week, Luke. If not, if you just wait around another week, Luke, you'll see some new prompts. Yeah, because I'm technically not taking anyone on for a little bit, but I just sent you that link because I was like, oh yeah, I'll hook you up. How do you deal with being drawdown and just can't bring it back? My mental goes down the drain. It depends how you trade, bro. Like if I'm in drawdown personally, I'm out of the trade pretty quick. Like I'm either cooked or I'm good to go. So it depends how you trade. But the biggest thing is you gotta understand that drawdowns are part of the game. Losing trades is a part of the game. Like you gotta get used to it, man. You gotta get used to it. The best way to feel good about it as well is knowing that you already know your stats. So you know over 100 trades, you're gonna win like 70 of them. So if this loses today, it doesn't matter. You're gonna win 70 out of 100. Do you have a sister? Yeah. Have a look at the 4 hour and 4x chart. Yeah, I know what the 4x 4 hour looks like. Yeah, it's greenery. NQ's just dancing around. Yeah, what do we got? 9 minutes. I'm going to cancel this order in 2 minutes. In the most ideal world, this candle closes like where it is and then the next one breaks out. Oh, bro, that would be freaking orgasmic. If that happens, that'll be so good. I'm going to cancel this order and let's see what's up. Okay, Dan, if I don't pass my PropX account tonight, I'm ready. Oh, fuck. What's my PropX account? What's my Dogecoin doing? Oh, Dogecoin. No, I just gave out Doge signals. No. Signals. Signal, sir. Don't you leave, mofo. Don't you leave. No. Stay. Last time we had to pull out the dog bone. Come back here, look. Come here, doggy. There's a bone down here. Stay. Stay. No. Yes. No. Bro, if I pass my Bullenless account today, but I have monthly subscription coming tomorrow, do I still have to pay it? No. Bro, that's the fucking, that mindset's gonna get you cooked, bro. You're like, I've got to pass it tonight. God damn it. It's coming back? Yeah. No. No. Imagine having a trading game on Nintendo when you're a kid, bro. Imagine. But the reality is, it's like, it's all psychological, I guess. How much do you recommend a risk on a funded account? Depends on the size of the account and your risk tolerance and things like that. And like, you know, how much time you have in the game and how you approach them. Give me one recommendation in gold. Ooh. Shit. No, I don't know, bro. You'll see. I'll show you what I do when I do it. Big Cody over on TikTok. What up, brother? Yeah, so if this can close red and then the next one break out, I'd love a bit more weight in this red candle. And the next one break out, that's cool. That's like good. That's ideal. Yeah, that's ideal. Yeah, so in theory, you guys, anyone that's new, really, you kind of, if this kind of can close red and then this next one, you know, hit us with something like that. So I hit it with, you know, hit us with something like that and break out. That'll also be a 1 hour breakout. Take my money. Be looking at a, you know, just a typical straight up trade breakout type 1 type shit. Your friend is very handsome. Which one? How far are you looking at running it? I'll show you if it happens. What's on your wrist? Just an AP, Rolly, and freaking something else. Blended. I melted them all into one. Nah, it's nothing special. Type 1 type shit. And she was trying to go below. Let's have a look. Yeah, and Q's turned into a barcode, which is fine by me. Hello, sir. Are you replying here on TikTok? Yeah, I'm on TikTok and YouTube. Hey, you guys on YouTube, can you please drop a thumbs up for the stream? 25 likes and 560 people have been here. Wow. Wow. Mom! Looks like I'm not buying you that freaking Life-saving medicine that you needed. I only just joined. You mind giving us a quick zoom out? Yeah, I'm on YouTube. If you want to see the full screen, YouTube live right now. Daniel Holmes Trades, same name as my TikTok name. That's where you'll see the full screen. We've got institutional traders over there. All it's all happening over there. Live on YouTube right now. In the Beningi. Then I'm trying to pass my 5th Prop X account. Please send Sig. Oh. Danielle, love you, man. You're the best. Ah, Abdullah Khalidir. I love you too. And you are the best. We have 10k left to pass. Fuck. Alright, so yeah, gold's kind of doing something over here now, which is good. A lot can happen in the last couple minutes. Connect, bro. Stay here, but I'll give you a like on YouTube. Thank you. Yeah, come over to YouTube. We're firing on all cylinders on YouTube. Yeah, I can definitely confirm we are firing on all cylinders on YouTube. Over again. Why did you go in for a buy? I didn't. Oh, I had a thing sitting there before. Yeah. Can confirm on institutional trader. Yes. You playing micros or minis? I'm playing macros. No, I don't know. Whatever one's the smaller one, then medium, small, smaller. Yeah, come over to YouTube. Thank you, Don. Yeah, I'm potentially looking for buyers, but we'll see. You know, we're kind of in a weird spot. Yeah, I would say that's a good way to put it. A-trades, anticipating longs, yeah. That's all it is so far, is anticipating that until proven otherwise. And right now, it's not looking the best. Right, because I'll tell you why it's not looking the best. Because what you want is a candle closure above this level here. But you also want a decently sized bodied closure, which means like that would be what you would consider a decent sized closure. But if that happens, because we're so close to resistance now, now it's like relatively overextended. So if I take a buy position up here, my stop loss has to be all the way down here. Now I'm playing a game that I don't really like. And that's all because the breakout level is too close to the resistance level. It has to be big for me to be interested. And, you know, that's why I was like, oh man, it'd be great if it pulled back and then broke out after that. Because now we have a big body candle and, you know, you get my point. I am head of JP Morgan Investments about to type 3 on Prop X. So look at this. This is some bitch ass breakouts. Look at the candle, look at the indecision, like the fear in the candles, like, oh shit, are we going, are we not? Let's use our brain here for a sec. Why did it have to do that? What happened on Forex, just out of curiosity? I mean, we got some sort of breakout. A lot of green, man. I don't feel that comfortable with this. It could leave. That's why I had a buy order in before, because of this kind of situation. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it, bro. Don't do it. You're doing it, aren't you? You're doing it, aren't you? So I had my order in previously here. What would I have got? Yeah, it's still not much range. Like, be patient here, you guys. Let's be patient. Why your hands on your head, just like all of your life savings? Nah, I want to be a part of this trade, and it's just giving like some bitch ass confluences. I tell you what, man, if this were to flip and break back into the range red, I'm selling the shit out of this. But let's one thing at a time. Let's see what happens with this candle. I have to wait for this candle. This is also a 1 hour closure. So, gotta have a dog bone. Yeah, get the solar system indicator, bro. Yeah, I think, let's see what happens here, man. This is gonna be a 1 hour closure. We can't be taking bitch ass confluences, right? We have to really wait for what we want to see. NQ, what are you doing? Oh, so it pushed down, now it's pushing back up, sort of. A lot of people are getting faked out over here on both ends. It's a shame that NQ does this and it creates that wick first and then, you know, does its thing. It's like, not always, but. Yeah, if gold were to do this and kind of close like this, bro, it's a failed breakout. I would look at that as and turn it into a type 2 play down. Will it? Do I think it's going to happen? I don't know, man. We are kind of trickling our way up, so we'll see. You know, we have been moving up all day. But I'm sus on this. I'm sus. I think... No, we'll see. We'll see. Let's not get too conspiracy-ish. Let me just check here. Interesting. So if you see how these levels here get tapped in, once it comes down to that point. What up, making your path, Mike? What up? What up? What up? Got the lasers out, bro. I thought it was laser. Who remembers laser lights as a kid? What is Kittle? Yeah, I don't think about it like that, Alex. Yeah, I don't think about that at all, bro. Because that means that you're thinking that the individual candles are alive, like they have a mind of their own. And when you, personally, I think when you get caught up in that type of thinking, you go down a rabbit hole. And I know you don't believe that, but you understand what I'm trying to say with that. Where reality is, if we really think about this, it's just bars moving up and down based on the value of gold against the US dollar or whatever you're doing, right? I've seen a lot of really good traders find, and not that like guys that are better than me, and I'm not saying I'm saying this because I'm better than them, but I'm saying this because I've just noticed with them is they do something really well and simple that works, and then they start to add things in, like look at the lower time frame they've never looked at before, do certain things and add certain things in, and then they start to actually lose. And you know, it's like I could do exactly what no, you do have to change over time as the market changes, but slightly, but don't change your edge. Keep it simple, man. That is your guys' last chance to sell, and I'm leaving. I told you guys. Sorry, bro. Damn it. Can you briefly describe what you mean by type 2? Type 2 just means really just you find a level of resistance or support where price kind of gets to, shows signs of weakening, failing to break out in this case, wicking off and then rejecting and kind of pushing back in ideally the overall trend direction, but in this case the trend is kind of moving up, so it's a bit of a counter trend trade. And then when a candle kind of closes back in that direction, this is simple terms, back in that direction, you just wait for more signs that it's pushing down, which in this case would be like a top wick. And then as it starts to kind of flip down again, you might be interested in taking a sell position there. We'll see. We'll see. Looks like Top Step so much. Yeah, they use the same platform as Top Step. What's that thing called? Oh no, 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 no. I was on top of the world for a little while there. I was on top of the world. How many accounts are you linked? None. I had 3 linked before, but I'm just gonna trade 1 now. Look, it looks like it did a very similar thing to this earlier in Asia. Like, look at the similarities of these 2 candles. Right, this was the breakout level, and this candle kind of broke out, and then this happened and it pushed down a lot. Look at the similarities of that compared to like what we're doing right now. How similar does that look, you guys? What's with the prop XP that makes them special? I'll tell you what makes them special is the fact that they have like under a pip spread. So for a Forex prop firm, that's almost unheard of. That's almost unheard of. It's actually insane how they were able to get a liquidity provider to get that type of a spread. And 2, they have no trailing drawdown. Right? Nothing worse than you're in a trade and the drawdown's chasing you. And you've got 50% off. So, you know, the cons may be that the platform, getting used to the platform is kind of annoying. But yeah, pick your poison. Some of the lads in the mentorship saying goated, prop XP goated. That's their word, not mine. Cody. See, goated. Come on, gold. See, this is why you got to be careful with gold, my dudes. This is why patience pays. We wait for the real shit. Don't get. Yeah. This is trading, you guys. This isn't trading just the most interesting game. All right, we could have FOMO'd into buys here, knowing there's very clean range here. Hey, let me tell you guys something. Guess what? Right here. Millions and millions of dollars just got tagged right there. Millions. I'm not joking. Right there was millions of dollars. Isn't that interesting? Yeah. Yeah, I think gold wants to go down. I was going to say it before, but I didn't want to sound conspiratorial, but just seeing things play out. We're in a heavy downtrend earlier, and then we're just kind of moving up. And, you know, all this range here, you typically see this messy range will just melt through, and it won't give you an opportunity to join a lot of the time. But we'll see. Anything can happen. Come on, NQ, you got it. You're my last hope. Billions and billions. They came bounding over. You guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. Full screen, full chart. You can see all the shits. Daniel Holmes Trades is the name. Same name as my TikTok name. Live on there every day. Dropping videos, dropping all sorts of content on there. I'm gonna vlog in. I'm gonna be moving to Dubai in like a week. I'm vlogging the whole thing. What's up, guys? It's your boy back with another video. What would you do if I started the vlog like that? What's up, guys? Oh, the grin, that just gave me a shiver. How did you get the streaming overlays? Well, I made the streaming overlay static, but if you just type into Google stream overlay, there's tons. Yeah, you'll be able to get some chillers. Dan, do people message me? Dan, do people message me once I fill out the form? Yes. Yeah. Hey, look, I'll hook something up for you if you just send me a message again on Instagram, and I'll make sure it's happening properly. Because like I said, I actually closed the doors for a while. That's why it's difficult to get in. But if you remind me after the stream, I'll sort you out, brother. Sorry, man. I know it's annoying. How much for 150k? Just look on the website. Let's have a look, you guys. Real quick. 0 to 100. Prop XP. Profit share is 95%. You got these different challenges over here. And because I got 50% off, whatever this shit is, cut it in half. Use my rule. Use my code. So, if you're a Forex trader, this is for you, man. You're not going to get a cheaper Forex account with better spread and stuff like that. The boom effect. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Logan Paul. It's your boy fucking, what did he used to call himself? Low Gang. The cringe. NQ. Come on, bro. Are we really playing this game, NQ? Back with another video. 500 people, yes sir. And then there's some people on over here on YouTube as well. Low Gang. Then you what? Faster? I don't know what you mean by that. I don't know what you're saying, brother. Bro, you moving to Dubai? Bro, I'm moving to Dubai in like a week. Yeah. I sold my car yesterday. I'm trying to sell some of the shit here, but I'm like, you know what, bro? I'm just going to put it all on Facebook Marketplace and just say free. Like, I can't be bothered. People being like, dude, it's $50. Will you take 20? I'm like, what am I going to do with... Are we you know what I mean? Like, just come take it or something. If anyone wants a real good streaming chair, it's in good condition. What's up, YouTube? Hit me up if anyone wants a teddy bear. My niece's teddy bear. Nah, actually, yeah, I got heaps of shit. If anyone wants anything, what else? I got just so much shit, man. $1? Yeah, take. Oh no, I'll sell the chair for a bit more, $50 or something. It's a good chair. Has it got a seatbelt on it? No, it's to lock the pillow and shit. It's a good chair. Typhoon. Look at this, you guys. Don't fuck around with it. Typhoon chair. Look, these chairs. Oh, they're not that expensive. Yeah, this is mine. $800. No, I don't know. Okay, so you can just have it. I don't care. Just get it out of my life. What's the difference between intraday, master, and express? Bullinox or top step? Let me have the bridge line. No, I don't trade liquidities. I want the chair, but in New Zealand. Fuck. Mitch, you're in Brizzy. Oh yeah, Mitch, you can. If Mitch wants it, yeah. It was 507 years ago. Oh man. Yeah, if anyone wants a really good graphics card as well, I paid $800 for it, or $700. What's up, guys? It's your boy Daniel with another video. What up, Carbine Life? Yeah, NQ is really playing silly buggers. Let's put this here. Nah. Alright, I'm gonna remove this. Was that an hourly closure? Alright, we just got an hourly closure here, guys. Major closure over here. Major closure, and show me prop XP, bro. You've got the internet. I just pulled it up. Daniel, what card do you have? If you come over to my YouTube channel, I'm about to drop a live. I'm live on YouTube right now as well. You can see the full chart, but on there I'm dropping a vlog where I'm going to be showing you like my trip over to moving to Dubai type shit. What's up, guys? It's your island boy Daniel. Wait, what's Burn After Reading? Is that a movie? I don't know that movie. No, I don't trade crude oil. Yeah, this is too overextended, Kashi. Yeah, unfortunately. Yes. Yes. Let's have a look here. What's the range to here? Yeah, it's fuck all. What's this 1 hour? So let's do a bit of an out. Let's look here. When's the 4 hour and Forex close? In an hour. So we've got time on our hands. Oh, there's a lot of indecision. Look at this. Is literally the most indecision candle of all time. This 1 hour candle, you guys. At London Open, this is the first 1 hour that's printed. We don't know if we're going up or down. Gold doesn't know what it wants to do right now. Paul, that's still early days, my brother. I ate poo-poo for 2 years straight. If you passed it, Alright, so I can't tell if you're subtly flexing now. You said you've been trading for 10 months, and I'm still not profitable. I passed 6 futures accounts, but I blew them. Bro, that's a lot of accounts for a short period of time that you're passing. So, like, you're on the right path, man. Just keep going, brother. And just analyze why you blew them. Why did you blow that, dude? Is what you need to ask yourself. Why? And then learn from it. You still trading Bullinox accounts? Yeah, I've got 4 accounts over here or something. Too greedy? Well, there you go. Now you can move into the next session going, I have an issue with greed, and set some rules for yourself or something. Nah, no trend lines, brother. In today's video, we're going to be drinking a lot of water because I'm in a desert now. Oh, your boy's back in profits. Sorry, that's the world's zestiest dance. Yeah, come on. All right, like, what is London the new Sydney, honestly? What's your view on trend lines? My view on trend lines is that I just don't think about it, brother. It's just not a part of the system that I use at all. Yeah. Yeah, this is PropX here, you guys. I might close this Dogecoin. Why did I enter a Dogecoin? Nah, fuck it. You gotta, yeah. If you make a crypto decision, you gotta stick to it. It's been long, bro. Where have you been? Bro, I'm here every day to this day. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Happy, just look into it. They'll be on their website. I can't remember. Kate, I use price action, I guess would be the easiest way to describe it. Cute little zesty. Fuck off, Cody. Are you using a prop firm? What's the pros and cons? The pros and cons of using a prop firm is, one, it's a low barrier to entry in terms of your financial investment. I can pay $50 and get funded $225,000 of someone else's money. You know, you got to look, just think about it. Like, do the math in your own head. Do you think about Sharp as part? Do you think about Sharp as, bro? English. Clip down to the cord. No. Yeah, you guys on TikTok as well. If you come over to YouTube, I'm going to drop a free Discord link. We have a Discord community over here with like 5,000 people. A lot of good traders. We have a good community. We've got one of the best communities out, I'm telling you. We're firing on all cylinders. Look at this. Signals flat out. So I'm going to pin this in the YouTube chat right now. I'm live on YouTube, you guys. And if you want to join the free Discord community, come over. You can have it. A lot of these guys are getting funded and stuff like that. Can we get to 100 likes over here on YouTube, you guys? Can you guys drop a like for the stream, gang? Helps the algorithm. It helps the algorithm. Can you explain your strategy in 1 minute? Yes. Yeah. Who you take one of the Island Boys and... It depends, Paul. It depends if you want to go aggressive or not. How to risk manage on a 5K prop account? Just use it in a mathematical way. Just say, if I got mathematically this amount to lose, then what if I, maybe like, if I lose 10 trades, I blow the account type shit. So like, you do the math. How long until Dubai move? Man, honestly, it could be a week and a half, like a week, 2 weeks, tops type shit. Yeah. I mean, I sold my car yesterday, so I have to move. Cancel one of my gym memberships. What you doing there? Just chilling, like setting up, living or something? Yeah. That's living. Are you excited to move to Dubai? No. No, not yet. I will be soon, but right now the only thing on my mind is like, oh, I've got to get this done, I've got to do this, got to do that. Yeah, no excitement yet. Been there before? No. What are you waiting for here, Dan? I mean, there's nothing for me to sell. Like if I take a sell here, then I'm running straight into this. I don't know. If it were to come down and then create a potential type 2 here, that'd be great. Right, if it came down and had some sort of reaction off this level, bounced off, and then I could look at taking a buy around here. That'd be great. Alternatively, if it flips up and breaks out, I don't know, we'll see. But I don't want to trade within here. Like this range here is shit, man. And then on for NQ, if it starts to gravitate towards this high, this level here, then I could look at participating as well. But yeah, we've been getting cooked in London. In 2025, London is really kind of not done much. Are you moving to Dubai just because of tax purposes? Yeah, there's that. And there's also like the motivation, right? I'll be the brokest dude there. It's good motivation, and I think it's a good opportunity to kind of set a few things up in the future for like my future family and my niece and shit like that. Like just, yeah, and motivation and something different. And there's nothing else, there's nothing really keeping me here other than my niece. Like I feel really bad about that, but yeah. Oh, you just joined the Discord? Nice. Good to have you there, Alexander. What session will you be trading when you move? Same session, London. In Dubai, you don't have deadly animals that are going to... That's all good. Of lifestyle when you're there? Yeah, I'll be vlogging the whole thing. But my lifestyle will be no different to here. I'm just chilling in a room, streaming and talking to the crew on the mentorship and stuff. Two years, Ariel. Have you looked into housing at Dubai yet? Not house, like renting, yeah, sort of, but I'll just figure it out on the way. I'm one of these people that I'll just do it all. I'll just figure it all out as I go. Like, put your back against the walls when shit works the best. No need to think about trying to, oh, I have to pre-plan all this, and that's bitch shit, honestly. Like, just do it. Yeah, I know. New York's probably where it's at. Mentality on point, yes sir. Get a work visa. You know what, bro? I haven't even looked at what the visa. Like he sent me them all. How'd... Yeah, I got something, but yeah, it's all good. Yeah, that's still early days, Ariel. Keep at it, man. Keep at it. Still early days. How much did it cost to set up an AUE? $6,000 to get all my licenses and shit. Because the idea, I set up a company over there and then hired myself, and then you need your visa, Emirates ID, fucking all these different registrations and shit. So that cost $6,000, and then you got flights, baggage, Ubers, and fucking rental cars. I'll be renting a hotel for the first week or so, and it'd be like $10,000 all up probably. I don't know, something like that. Wow, this is the fucking shittest volume, man. This is London so far. What's... It's like, man, if I show up to stream, London just does this. If I don't, nothing happens. I mean, heaps of shit happens. I guess yesterday it was the same. That's why I didn't show up yesterday for London. I want to join the Discord, bro. Bro, it's pinned in the YouTube chat. I'm live over here on YouTube, where I'm not even at 100 likes yet on YouTube. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? They love Trump. Oh, Richard, yeah, that'd be good, man. Yeah, I think that'd be good. If you can, that'd be awesome. Yeah, KW, if you message me on one of my social medias, I'll help you out. Are you standing? Yes. Nice, Ariel. Good stuff, man. Good to have you here. Yeah, sometimes the volume kicks in after you leave the stream. I know, bro. You look much better at YouTube. Yes, because I'm further away on YouTube. On fucking TikTok, I'm closer to the screen, meaning I'm ugly. Oh, shit. Dude, fishing for compliments. I'm ugly. I knew I'm ugly. Yeah, let's see. Same. What up, Michael? Oh, look at this. I got my stand-up desk delivered just today. Awesome. I got a quote for 11K. Bro, I would never have paid that much. Yeah, I got it all sorted for 6K. What's your strategy? Price action. Cody, where is it? Did you really find that? Wait, oh, this is my screen. What am I doing? I don't know if Cody... Oh yeah, look, let's have a look at this. Oh, your boy's back in profits. God damn it. God damn it, man. She'll never like me. Yeah, so check this out, you guys. If this next candle can do something, like this, I'll be looking to take a buy position. Yeah, space. You just need to look into free zones. Most of the free zones come with agents. Like, they'll have like a mandatory agent that you can just kind of do for free. They're hired by the government. she'll never like a guy like me. There was a girl that I met one time, and sometimes I play Fortnite with her online. She's like, you know, and sometimes she plays with like really good Fortnite players. And then when she logs into me, I'm like, I'll never be like those other guys. They're way better than me. And she laughs. My joke to her. I'll never be like those guys. So we're really looking for something to happen here. What's the time? Yeah, I'll see what this next candle can do. It's a bit of a shame, like just keep rocking up to London. London Death volume. What up, Kirill? Let's hope that this is a bottom wick. What up, Caesar? I don't know. We'll see what happens, Caesar. If this can flip up and close green, then maybe a buy position. And if NQ can break above this level. Thoughts on Fred trading? What the fuck is this?
You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what.
Yeah, I'd say that, Paul. Yeah, for sure. Something like that.
Gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump.
Night.
And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
Dude, you see that line you put at 335? 335. Oh yeah, you should have put it at 3327. 3327 down here, bro. What the fuck? What drugs are you on? Yeah, so we'll see. Indicators to look at volume? No, just use candlesticks to gauge volume. Candlesticks kind of tell the story, right? This is unbelievable. He was the one telling you to sell? Oh, really? Trump's talking in 15 minutes. Oh, is he? Maybe the market's been choppy till then. Is there anything on Forex Factory? One of the guys posted in the mentorship, Wesley. Yeah, it's 4 a.m. in New York. Yeah, it's kind of a weird time for news to be happening. Yeah, so I'm gonna give this candle a crack, see what this candle wants to do, and I don't know, man. Should I quit my job and start day trading with prop firms? That might be the worst idea you could possibly do, bro. Yep. You really want to keep a job on the side, brother? You want to keep your job? Because Trading's hard and you want to make sure you get time in the game. Someone said yes. His reaction to these comments. Oh, fuck. Yeah, so I'm going to give this is my last candle. We'll see if this can present anything. If not, yeah, it's kind of chop suey. I don't pay bills. Yeah, don't, bro. The job, dude. Yeah, you want to keep your job, bro. Please, what prop firm do you recommend? Brother! There's a prop firm on the screen that I'm literally recommending with a 50% off code. Lost my job and blew 6 funded accounts after being constantly profitable on demo. That's not profitable. That's like me saying, you know, I was a elite assassin sniper in Call of Duty, but then when I got my real sniper out and shot someone, I ended up in... that's not a good example, but... Yeah, you need to be on the real markets, my brother. I miss, yeah, that's exactly. Wesley. Yeah, I know, I can't help it. I can't change it. Then I quit my job after 3 years to be a full-time day trader. I blew all my savings. Oh, fuck. Cody. Rightio. I honestly, I think NQ might be our only hope if we break above here. But like the size of these candles, this is just low volume trash right now. But I'm not gonna lie, if you haven't got a payout yet after 6 funded accounts, that means risk management, yeah. Dogecoin, get it together. You are my pride. Enjoy your earlier. You were like the son I never had. This is depressing. What's this candle? 25 pip, 15-minute candle. Wow. May I ask how old you are? I'm a wizard. I'm 34. Demo trading is bull kebab. Yeah, you don't want to spend too long on demo. It's really just the emotion that gets traders. Like, yeah, it takes a while to understand a full strategy, and then it's just emotions. Like, no, it's very rarely like people are blowing accounts because their, you know, strategy didn't play out. It's they lost emotional control. Are you moving to Dubai? Yes, sir. Habibi. I started praying again after getting a live account. Brother, praying won't do anything. Yeah, praying doesn't help in the markets. Thanks, Box. Yeah, a week or two, honestly. Yeah. I'm vlogging the whole thing, so if anyone's interested, I'll post on my YouTube. You would be a good Muslim. I'll take that as a compliment somehow. Thanks, bro. Just received a 20k payout today. Third one this month. Yeah, nice. Third one today. Look at NQ creeping up over here. You got 2 minutes to do this, NQ. Come on, bro. You can do it. I believe in you. I really do. Here's a bone for you. What would you recommend I do to become a profitable trader? Wow. Look at this. Oh, it's such a broad question. It depends how long you've been in the game and all this other kind of stuff, brother. Yeah, if you gave me a bit more info, I'll try and help you out, bro. The bone, yeah. I mean, if gold can push it a little bit more. I started trading last month. So this is what you should be doing, is just spending the next little while, really understand the terminology, get stuck into trading, speak to ChatGPT, a lot of Googling, get real familiar with this game, like what it even is. And then start thinking about locking in on a strategy. And then start trading a demo account with that strategy. You might need to pay some money to learn a basic strategy off someone. And then come back to me after you've done that for 6 months. Or 4 months, 3 months. No worries, brother. Any channel on YouTube for beginner? It depends. It looks like AJ Brimson. AJ Brimson. Yeah, okay. Some sort of football person. Bro, this is painful. This is like the most painful session I've had in a while. Yeah, this is it. This is me done. Sorry guys, what a shit fucking session. There was absolutely nothing happened. Wow. Wow, like this isn't enough. There's not enough in this. There's a 30 closure, like, I mean, we've got 9 seconds, but pushes up now. No top wick. Alright, let me have a look here. What did that look like on Forex? Looks nice on Forex, sort of. Yeah, still not the strongest fucking candle. Top leg no tell us? Just kind of means no range. I mean, if this can break above here, I might take a position. Set entries based on the 15. Nah, I kind of taken them all. I like that this 30's kind of create a weakening. We've wicked down now. What's 1 hour doing? 1 hour is a mess. 4 hour doesn't know what it's doing. The Forex 4 hour closes very soon here. It's not the most high probability setups, you guys, so feel free to not take it. This is like 30 minutes on that 4 hour. We'll see.
Now, how about drums? An instrument everybody loves.
I can't hear you. Turn your speaker up, my dude. Full mugging. Is it? I'll turn it off. Full mugging. Let's trade New York. Hell no, my dude. Background music hit nah. Wait, what background music is on? Oh, it's some fucking different shit now. Okay, tell me if the background music starts getting too zesty or something, you guys. Oh shit. Yeah. Tell me if the background music starts getting too zesty. Full mugging. Toes curl on this one. Yeah, this one's not it's not the best setup. This is me exhausted. I'm on tilt, guys. After that dance number, I think zesty. Switch the Propex to the tilt train. Yeah, exactly. Oh no. This coin's going down. I'm in massive drawdown, you guys. This could be the end of my career. Come on, Doge, you were my sunshine. Wow, it even gapped. Yeah. It even gapped over here. What do you think about a 200k funded? I think it's a terrible idea. Depends how long you're in the game for. But why get 200? Just get like 50, man. Why pay all the money for a 200 when you can just get a 50? Yeah, why pay a 200 when you can just get a 50 and get mad money from a 50? And when you blow it, like, you lose less money because you're gonna blow it probably, bro. I'm sorry, but it's just the way the game is. Like, statistically, I'm not you individually, but statistically, you know what I mean? Any trades so far this week? Yeah, we caught some, like, a really nice Asia trade. I've been like green all week, but yeah, London's just dead. I'm gonna cancel this order right here. There's no volume, man. I don't know what's happening. I don't know who's fucking playing silly buggers with us, but yeah, sorry you guys. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Propex. Alright, I'll stay to this last candle. Let's just stay to this last candle and see what happens. One more, last candle. Like, honestly, we've got nothing to lose. We're in the middle of it, so we'll see what happens. But your boy's crashing out. Go to sleep, yeah. Broski in Melbourne? No, I'm in Brisbane. Brisbane. Yeah. All right, guys. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys for showing up. Sorry, man. The market's just, there was very bad volume today. Very shit volume here in the London session. Maybe it'll pick up as soon as I go off stream. That's how the game usually goes. But yeah, what are we going to do? Appreciate you guys showing up, and back again for London tomorrow. Hopefully get some more volume tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch up with you.